Okay, boys and girls, we're going to do lesson home links 3.3. Okay, what they want us to do is we're going to solve the addition problem, and then we're going to use our partial sum addition to figure that out, and then we're going to estimate to check your answer and see if it makes sense. Okay, so if I take this and I say 245, that we could take and we could say 200. Okay, and then let's look at our tens. 4 plus 9 equals 13, and it's 13 tens, so that would be 130, and 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, so that gives me 337, and if I were to take and estimate this, I could say 250 plus 100, and that would give me 350. Okay, and if I look at that, it is close to 337, so I could estimate that an estimation of 350 would be a good one. Okay, on the next one, we can take and we can estimate 124 to 100, okay, and then 215 to 200 with an estimate of 300. And then I can add this up. 100 plus 200 is 300. 20 plus 10 equals 30. And then 4 plus 5 equals 9. So my answer would be 339, which is a good estimate because it is close to 300. On our next one, we have 245. We can estimate that at 250. Okay, plus 317, well, that's close to 300, so we could estimate it at 550. Now let's take our partial sums down here. 200 plus 300 gives me 500, and 40 plus 10 gives me 50, and 5 plus 7 is 12, and if I add those up, I get 562. And 550 was my estimate, which gives me a good estimate. Okay, I could take 366 and let's give an easier number of 400 plus 208, so an easier number would be 200. So we could estimate this one at 600. Now let's do our partial addition. We have 300 plus 200, which is 500. 60 plus nothing is 60. And 6 plus 8 is 14. Add those up, and we get 574, and 600 was our estimate, so that is a good estimate. Okay, that concludes our 3.3 in home links.